Well, if you have a house, you need a lawnmower. So buy a lawnmower. It is a Craftsman. I believe it's a 42-inch deck. I just picked it up today. I tried it out in my yard. It works great. And yeah. So, when I was washing this, I came across something. I noticed the deck on this side. It's had four fingers. Now on this side, pretty tight. So I got to raise this side a bit, and it looks like I just gotta tighten up that nut, which controls the deck height. So let's do that real quick. All right, so after a little persuasion, I had to adjust both sides. I think I got pretty dialed in about 3 1/4 right there. And I got about another 3 1/4 on this side. So, yeah, I'm really not going to do much with this lawnmower. Kind of just use it for mowing. I did try buffing the hood. You can see it's kind of clear as fading there, so I might repaint it at some point. But at this time, I really don't have the time for it. I got a bunch of other projects I want to do. just enough room to fit in my little shed that I got here. So yeah, probably won't see this in another video, but first step in many steps. On to the next thing.